Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stanovic along with Carol Masser. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Alexandra Semenova. She's here in our studio.
Uber, that stock is having a really good day today. It's up about 8%. This is after they announced that they would be offering driverless Waymo rides to its customers in Atlanta. That's in addition to Austin, where they also offer them. And this is, of course, the second time that the companies are teaming up rather than competing against each other. Of course, Waymo is owned by Alphabet. Obviously, investors are really liking this partnership. Another positive development as well for Uber is Lime, its electric bike startup, is actually supposed to IPO. This is according to a report from Reuters that said that bankers are having these discussions. So that is adding to a really, really good year altogether for Uber. It's up about 50% year to date.
I am shocked at what it is doing year to date.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible. Had obviously a fantastic run, even despite all the volatility we've seen as the S&P.
It's so funny to watch this stock, and we're, when we talk about driverless cars, because some days if Waymo is announcing an expansion in a different part of the US, Uber shares fall. Right. Like in New York, for example, last week, Uber shares fell as a result of Waymo announcing that they were testing in New York. Then you have announcement of a partnership between
now they're working together and it skyrockets.
Yeah, so I have
to say, I'm always happy about any developments on driverless cars because I actually don't have a driver's license. And I probably never will.
This is how
a true New Yorker.
You're a true New Yorker. You're like, raised in New York. You don't have a driver's license.
Yeah, just one of those things that I have
done a Waymo?
I haven't. Hopefully I'll get to try one soon.
We're obsessed.
Oh, are they fantastic?
They're really cool.
Yeah, I bet.
Full transparency. We really like them. Galaxy Digital, another name.
Yeah, that is another company that is bouncing today. I'm seeing up about 5% right now. It got a new buy rating from Rosenblatt Securities, which started coverage on the crypto company. It set a $25 price target on the firm. Analyst Chris Brendler said that Galaxy shares offer a unique opportunity to invest in the burgeoning crypto sector and offer an attractive risk reward. They actually say that Galaxy is better positioned than some other crypto companies for any potential crypto volatility. It's fared much better than some of the other names.
Ticker GLXY. Stock's up almost 13% year to date. Of course, Michael Novogratz, who's come on a lot, right?
Yeah,
on Bloomberg to talk about.
Been a regular.
Yeah, you must have talked to him a million times.
We sat with him for like a half hour on a crypto show. He was a guest for the whole time.
Does he like crypto?
Does he like
just
crypto?
A little bit.
Kidding.
I'm just
Have you seen his tattoo? He's a tattoo of Luna.
Did he?
I think it was a Luna back in the day.
Oh,
that one didn't work out, but he's gone all in on other stuff now. Let's go all in on donuts.
So there is a big breakup in donut world. McDonald's and Krispy Kreme are ending their partnership after a little bit more than a year. It didn't work out for them. The stocks, interestingly, are both flat right now. The donut chain cited cost issues. The two companies basically couldn't come up with a business model together. Krispy Kreme just had a difficult time with demand. It was unsuccessful. Truist analyst Bill Chappell writes that while disappointing, this was largely expected.
What a wacky ride for Krispy Kreme today. It's been down as much as 4.5%.
Yeah,
it's been up almost 4%.
Changed.
Yeah. Alexandra Semenova, thank you so much.
Thank
Bloomberg
you,
News cross-asset reporter.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.